to derive the expression of impedance in case of series LCR circuit, we use this phasor diagram, and in this phasor diagram we apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle OAB. So here V naught square will be equals to what? It is V naught R square plus V naught L minus V naught C square. This is base, this is perpendicular. When we substitute the values of V naught R, V naught L, V naught C, which are I naught R, I naught XL, I naught XC, where XL, XC are omega L 1 upon omega C respectively. So in this case we substitute the values here in terms of I naught, then expression will be like this, where we take the common I naught square, then it will be R square plus XL minus XC whole square, and when we take the square root, then V naught will be what? I naught under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square, and this root term is called the impedance, which is written by Z. So in case of series LCR, the impedance is what? It is under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square, and it is the portion or the part which obstructs the current in the AC circuit in this case, and hence its unit is also Ohm.